Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can download, install and use ChatGPT on Android. So basically there is no available option on Play Store. So what we will do is just go to Google Chrome and then search for ChatGPT over there. Just click on the very first link that you will see in the search results. After that, click on try ChatGPT. Then click on login option over here. Give your login details and log into your ChatGPT account, and if you don't have one, then simply click on sign up and get a new account. And here you can just create any new chat with ChatGPT and use it easily. And if you want to add it on your home screen, just click on the three dots on the top, and here you will find this option of add to home screen, and this screen will be added to your home screen, and this way you will be able to see it over on your Android screen. So this is how you use ChatGPT on Android. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.